Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eclairs in air fryer, updated. Pipe pâte à choux into 3-inch logs, brush with egg wash, and air fry at 375 degrees F for 12 minutes until puffed and golden. Let shells cool completely on a rack, then fill using a pastry bag with vanilla or chocolate pastry cream. Finish with a shiny chocolate glaze and serve fresh for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make eclairs in air fryer, updated. Heat water and butter, stir in flour until a smooth paste forms, then cool slightly before adding eggs one at a time. Beat until the dough is glossy and soft enough to pipe into 3-inch logs. Pipe onto parchment, leaving space between each log, then brush with egg wash for a golden finish during air frying. In this video, I will show how to make eclairs in air fryer, updated. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun little pick-me-up while you bake. It smells great and makes preheating and cleanup more pleasant, so you can focus on perfect shells and creamy filling without distractions. If that helps, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make eclairs in air fryer, updated. Prepare a smooth pastry cream, chill until set, and transfer to a piping bag for neat filling. Fill each shell gently to avoid bursting, then dip the tops in warm chocolate ganache or pipe a chocolate stripe for contrast. Let the glaze set a few minutes, then enjoy the crisp shell and creamy center together for an irresistible bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.